almost here. So I thought I'd show you a really nice, quick and easy recipe for mincemeat to make those beautiful mince pies, which are so much a part of it. So I've got some mixed fruit. This is a mixture of sultanas, raisins and currants in any quantity that you like. Some soft brown sugar to sweeten it. Some suet, which is a little nod to the fact that mincemeat used to contain real meat, but it doesn't anymore. It's the suet that we use in it now. Some flaked almonds. Then we've got a good grating of nutmeg, some mixed peel. Use the amount that you like. Not everybody likes it, so if you don't want to use it, that's not a problem. Then we've got a teaspoon of mixed spice, some orange juice, and for that extra little kick, we're going to finish it off with some good Scottish whiskey. And all we've got to do is start by combining all of these things in a saucepan, except for the whiskey. And that is my beautiful homemade mincemeat, ready to go into my mince pies. It's sweet and spicy and citrusy, and it's just going to get better the longer you leave it. It's everything that Christmas should be.